Today I'll be unboxing Captian 780 PS5 wireless gaming headset. The wireless USB plugs directly into your PS5. Wired audio cable and charging cord. User manual. Exclusive PS5 design, 4-in-1 wireless headset. It is, however, compatible with PC, PS4, Nintendo Switch as well. Comfortable leather ear cushions with memory foam, lightweight and foldable design. Long battery life, up to 70 hours of playtime, and the quick charge feature gives 2 hours of use after just 5 minutes of charging. Perfect for non-stop gaming. Noise cancelling microphone. The rotating noise cancelling microphone ensures crystal clear communication, making the Bluetooth headset perfect for multiplayer gaming and streaming. Immersive sound and gaming lighting, featuring 50mm speakers for surround sound. This gaming headset includes a futuristic LED light effect along the edges, enhancing your gaming experience. 3D stereo surround sound, 50mm bass boosted drivers for accurate positioning. The 4-in-1 features are wired mode, Bluetooth mode, USB mode, and Type-C mode.